Nine people were killed in their sleep when a fire broke out in three sleeper coaches of the Bandra-Dehradun Express in Thane district late last night. The fire spread in the S3, S4 and S5 coaches of the train at around 2:30 am when most passengers were asleep. The train is now at Gholwad railway station around 145 km from north of Mumbai on the Maharashtra-Gujarat border where rescue teams and fire brigades have been rushed. Railway Minister Mallikarjun Kharge has announced an ex gratia of Rs 5 lakh to the families of the dead. The Railway Board has ordered an inquiry into the incident.